Hi, my name is Dr. Roy Martina. I've been in holistic medicine for over 40 years. And my passion has always been to find out what we're missing, what are we not seeing. And it took a long time to discover the many important functions of the heart. Actually, it only happened after I met my wife, Joy, who is a psychologist, and together we decided to start exploring more about our hearts, about love, our relationship, and to remove all the garbage, all the pain, all the suffering that we both brought into our relationship. And we discovered so much. One of the most important things we discovered is what's called heart walls. Heart walls are metaphorical, energetic protection of our heart. And everybody has one or more heart walls. So we have to remove our heart walls. When we did, we discovered other things. We discovered certain karmic links. We discovered connections to our ancestors. We discovered so much about our heart that we decided to start to teach about it. Everybody knows about forgiveness, but what most people do not know is how to really complete a forgiveness process so it becomes wisdom for us for the future. So it becomes actually taking us to the next level of love. So forgiveness is a process that we have taken to the next level. And we would like to teach you how to truly forgive in such a way that you cut all the karmic links and actually open your heart even more. Of course, we know that the heart is important. It's the fourth chakra. We know that it's the place for self-love. But it's also a place that connects us to the universe. When we open our hearts, we can become better in manifestation of the life that we really dream of. And in this short video, I cannot tell you all the things we're going to do. What I can tell you is that on 9 and 10 of June, we're going to be in Vienna, and Joy and I are going to be teaching all we've discovered about the power of our heart. And for those people who want to take it even to a next level, on the 8th of June, there will be a special class to teach you muscle testing. And muscle testing is a way to communicate with your heart. It's a way to even discover things that you cannot discover in another way. For example, what is important for to see if you've truly forgiven someone, if you finish the complete cycle of forgiveness. And we're going to teach you a new way to forgive that's very fast, very deep, but also opens your heart more than ever before. So if you're interested to know how to go to another level of happiness, to experience more gratitude in your life, if you want to experience how to manifest better and faster, we will have a super workshop for you. And I hope to see you in Vienna. And I hope also that you will take the extra class of muscle testing, so you will learn how to communicate with your heart, but also to discover what's going on. After this workshop, you will also feel better and feel happier, but you also can help your friends with the techniques that you've learned. So I hope to see you in Vienna, and where we will have an awesome time together. All the best.